In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy Golden Corral gift card. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in goldencorral.com/gift cards. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Golden Corral. You can see over here you'll directly be led to the gift cards interface. From here you'll be able to order the gift cards for yourself. Simply click on this option, order gift cards. Now after you do that, you'll be led to another interface. Now you can see over here you'll be able to buy the gift cards. You'll be able to see the question over here, who is the gift card for? You'll be able to find two options, a friend, for me. If you select the option for a friend, you'll have to enter their name and your name over here and click on this option, send a physical card. If you want to buy the gift card for yourself, click on this option, for me. Now click on this option, send a physical card. Now you can see over here you'll have to select the gift card design. You'll be able to find the designs over here. Simply click on the design of your choice. Now after you do that, click on this option, how much. Now you'll be able to enter the amount over here. You'll be able to find various options. You can click on the option of your choice, or you can also manually enter the amount by clicking on the field of amount. So like this, you'll be able to select the amount for yourself. You can also select the quantity. Right now 1 is selected. If you want to increase it, click on the plus icon. If you want to decrease it, click on the minus icon. Now click on this option, where is it going? Now you can see over here you'll have to select the address over here. First of all, enter the full name. Now select the country or territory. Click on the field of country or territory and select it over here. Likewise, what you have to do is enter the street address. Once you enter the street address, you can see over here state and postal code will be selected automatically. You'll also have to enter the city. Click on the field of city and enter the city over here. Now after you do that, click on this option, shipping, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll have to select the shipping method. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option of your choice. After you do that, click on this option, add to cart, that you can see on the screen. Now it has been added to your cart. What you have to do is simply scroll down. You'll be able to find various informations over here. You'll also be able to see the order summary. You'll be able to see the subtotal, shipping subtotal, order total, etc. Click on this option, checkout, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll finally be led to the checkout interface. In this interface, what you have to do is select the payment method. You'll be able to see the payment methods like Google Pay, PayPal, debit or credit card, etc. Simply click on the payment method of your choice. If you click on the option credit or debit card, you'll have to enter the card information over here. What you have to do is simply click on the field of card number. Now enter the card number. Likewise, enter the expiration date over here. First of all, enter the month. After that, enter the year. Now also enter the CVV or CVC. Now you'll also have to enter the name on card. Now select the country and address over here. The country will be selected automatically. Now what you have to do is simply select the street address. Click on the field of street address and select the street address over here. Likewise, enter the city. Select the state. Also enter the zip code over here. Now after you do that, you can simply scroll down. Now click on this option, place my order, that you can see on the screen. After you do that, your order will be placed and you'll receive the order within the estimated shipping time. So like this, you'll be able to order the gift card. So that is how you buy Golden Corral gift card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.